In this video, I'm sharing the best way to protect yourself as a recruiting agency business owner. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. When it comes to starting any business, you always want to make sure that you put your long-term thinking hat on. You have to be in the mind frame from the very beginning that your business is going to be extremely successful. With that said, you want to make sure that you set up your business in a way that you are protected in case there is anyone out there who wants to take away a portion of your success. Now, before we go any further, I do want to put a major disclaimer out there. I am not providing any legal or financial advice in any way, shape, or form. Please seek help from a licensed professional for your own unique situation or business circumstance. So when I say making sure you are protected, I'm speaking in terms of your personal assets. This could include things like your personal bank account, cars, or any properties that you have in your name. You want to be sure that if something happens with your business, let's say for example you end up getting sued, and the ruling is not in your favor, you want to ensure the only thing they can take are assets associated with your business. And the best way to protect yourself is to make sure that you have a separation between your personal and business affairs from the very beginning. Now, the easiest example of this would be a bank account, so making sure that you have one bank account for your personal affairs and then another bank account for your business affairs. Another example could be a business entity. Work with a licensed professional to determine the best business entity for you. However, having a registered business entity can help with the separation of your personal and business affairs. Ultimately, I hope that you never have to experience someone suing your business, but the truth is that it does happen. Do the proper due diligence in the beginning. That way you're set up for success in the long run. And that way, if something does happen and you are sued for whatever reason, you are at least prepared. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you are not subscribed to my channel already, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.